Hey everybody, this is your introductory video for the last week of the semester. So congratulations, this is week 8. Last week we talked about game skills, and you looked at different games, and there's some great resources for games and dancing and different things, how to set up games, how to organize games. So last week was all about games. This week, there's two things. So one is Move to Learn. Move to Learn is a resource that you're going to use, just like Playworks and some of the other websites that you've used through this semester. Move to Learn is in Mississippi. They're actually located in Ridgeland. I'll show you their website real quick. Let's see if it'll take me there or not. Let's see. But Move to Learn can actually come to your school. They do training all over the state, and let's see. Links don't want to work. Here's the Move to Learn website. There's videos, songs, lesson plans, all sorts of things. They've got lots of videos that you could use in your class. You can see how they're organized for level 1, level 2, and level 3 kind of things, similar to what we did in class. They have a YouTube channel. A lot of their videos are on YouTube. They fit a lot of different things that you'll be covering in PE, about food, about working out. A lot of this is great for brain breaks. It's a great resource. But you're going to look around Move to Learn. You're going to do a game assignment with that. Let me see. You can search through here different things, how to include academics, different grade levels, how long your class is, what materials you need. I mean, this is really, really easy. So it's a great resource. So Move to Learn is one of the things you're going to look at. But they are a Mississippi company, and they'll be happy to come to you and work with your class. So they're a wonderful resource to use, something I've used a lot in the classes that I teach. The other thing is, I want you to kind of get the big picture this week. I want you to see what it really looks like to lead a PE class and how all that works. So I've put that together in this 4-part lesson plan. So here there's 3 videos of a teacher leading a class, and she's going to go through the 4-part lesson plan like you did in week 3. This is a 30-minute lesson. She'll have an introductory activity, a fitness development activity, a lesson focus, and then a game at the end. You'll be able to see how she disciplines her class, how she organizes her class, how she reinforces the students, how she talks to the students, how she participates in class with them. It's very, very well organized. It's very well done. And this is what our PE classes should look like. There are lots and lots of things to get out of these videos. So this is a great resource, but this really kind of wraps up the class and lets you see everything put together. So all the things that we talked about, how to teach a sports skill, how to teach how to throw, how to organize our students, how to do discipline, how to motivate, all those things you will see this teacher do in this video. So this is a great way to really wrap up what we're doing this semester. So you've got Move to Learn. You've got the big picture of seeing that lesson plan done. You'll have a toolbox review. These are all the different websites that you've looked at during this semester. So we've touched on all of these different websites this semester. This would be a great thing if you're planning on teaching elementary PE to write these things down, because they're great resources to use, and there's obviously plenty other resources out there. But you can just take a look and go back through these and check them out, and you'll have a discussion that covers the toolbox. What was your favorite website that we used? But lots of different resources that we covered this semester. And then so that's our toolbox discussion that goes with the toolbox review. And then the last thing is just a course summary assignment where you're going to talk about what was beneficial for you in this class. You're just writing a paragraph telling me what you liked about it or what you didn't like about it. That will help me make some changes to the class and make this a better class in the future. One of the most important things is this class ends on Friday. So usually every week goes Monday through Sunday, not this week. Last week class ends on Friday. So all of your work needs to be done Friday. instead of Sunday. So if you're waiting for the weekend, you're going to be in big trouble. So make sure you go through everything. You've got a quiz based on the videos. You've got a game assignment like you've done before. You've got a toolbox discussion, and then, of course, summary assignment. But make sure everything is completed by Friday. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to help.